In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide tasks in Microsoft Project. While Microsoft Project doesn't have a literal hide row command like Excel, you can absolutely make tasks disappear from your current view by filtering or collapsing them. The best part is that nothing gets deleted. These methods only change what you see so you can focus on what matters. A great place to start is with predefined filters. On the View tab, in the Data group, open the Filter drop-down. You'll see options like Incomplete Tasks, Active Tasks, Critical, and more. Choose one that matches what you want to focus on, and Project will immediately hide tasks that don't meet that criteria in your current view. When you're ready to see everything again, return to the same list and select No Filter. This approach is clean, fast, and reliable for narrowing the schedule without making any permanent changes. If you prefer quick, on-the-fly control, turn on Auto Filter. Go to the View tab and click Display Auto Filter. You'll see small drop-down arrows appear in the column headers. Click the arrow in a column, like %complete or task name, and uncheck the values you don't want to see. For example, uncheck 100% in the %complete column to hide all completed tasks. To bring everything back, clear the selections or turn off autofilter. This method is perfect for rapid, temporary hiding without setting up a full filter. For precise manual control, use a marker field. Right-click a column header, choose Insert Column, and add the marked field. In that column, set Yes for the tasks you want to keep visible. Then filter the marked column to show only Yes. If you want a cleaner view, you can remove the marked column from display afterward. This technique gives you complete control over exactly which tasks remain on screen, and it's easy to reverse. Lastly, if your goal is to simplify the display rather than hide individual items, collapse subtasks. Use the outline controls on the View tab to collapse summary tasks so the subtasks roll up and disappear from view. You can also use Project, then Outline, and choose Hide subtasks to show just higher-level summaries. Remember, nothing is removed. You're simply collapsing the structure. Expand when you need the details again. A quick tip before we wrap up. These techniques affect the current view and can impact what you print or share, so clear filters or expand tasks when you need the full picture. With these options, you can keep your schedule tidy and focused without losing any data.